Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 218 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about returning to simplicity, letting go of the pressure to do more or be more. Just breathe and be. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let yourself settle into stillness. You don't need to solve anything right now. Now, say to yourself, I release the need to figure it all out. Simplicity is enough, and I let this moment be. Keep breathing gently. Let the quiet be your anchor. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of simplicity with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.